Just like functions, AI skills can be simple at first, but they can grow more complex as you build on them. In the last tutorial, we learned how to create a simple AI skill. Now, let's explore some more complex options. On this foreign planet, you can command a rover to explore the surface by communicating with it. We have multiple exploration stations in the scene. These boxes are named Mushrooms, Lake, and Mine, and are all enabled for co-blocks. We want to instruct the rover to move to one of these areas, and also define the speed in which it should travel. Let's create an AI skill called Move Rover, and write a brief description for it. First, define the parameter speed, which is a number, and specify that it can be a number between 1 and 5. The second parameter you'll add is target, and it is a string. To make our AI understand what targets are available in the scene, write the names into the parameter description. Click Create AI Skill. Now, we need the Move Rover co-block and the position of co-block. To make the rover recognize the available target, you will also need to place the Get Item co-block like this. You can place the speed parameter here. To make the movement look a bit nicer, you can also use the Turn Rover to look at co-block so the rover orients itself correctly. Don't forget to add the AI skill to your AI buddy. Let's see if it works. Nice. In the next example, let's look at different parameter types. Create a new AI skill called Mining. If you choose Boolean, you have a parameter that can toggle between true and false. We can use it to make an AI skill to start the mining process on the planet's surface, and also to stop it again. Use an if-else co-block and place the parameter here to trigger some actions. In this example, let's open the door and move the crew member out. Else, if the parameter is changed to false, bring the crew member back into the rover. This is just an example. You don't have to copy this code exactly. You can also dynamically add or remove skills to your rover. For example, only enable the mining skill when the rover is close to the mining grounds by using a When Collide co-block like this. Over here, next to our base, we have two AI buddies that we want to instruct to follow one of these paths. To do this, let's set up an AI skill called Explore Orbit. However, when we add the Move on Path co-block and reference the path name, we'll notice that a parameter is missing. This is because we still need a way to decide which of the two aircraft should follow the path. When editing your AI skill, open Advanced Parameters and enable Add an AI buddy as a parameter. And as the description says as well, this will enable us to do exactly what we need. Give it a name and hit Update. A new parameter appeared that will reference the AI buddies itself, and we can place it here into this field. Don't forget to add these skills to your buddies. And that's it for now. Communicate, direct, and command your space base on a foreign planet, and keep exploring.